How to see other viewers in Facebook story. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can see who views our story. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So here you need to open up your Facebook app, launch your Facebook app. After that, navigate to your profile. After navigating your profile, I just want you to scroll down until you will be able to see settings and privacy. So simply tap on settings here. After tapping on settings, you just need to go to the search bar at the top. You can see this here, and you just need to type in story viewer. Story view. You just need to type in story viewer, and here you can see who can see your stories option here. So simply tap on that option, and here you'll be able to get an option with drop down. Here just simply tap on here. By default it will be in public, but you may just set it accordingly. Let's say you want to see someone, if someone sees your story or not. So for that you may just simply tap on this custom mode. Just tap on custom mode and you can select your friend. Like if you want to know if this friend views the story or not, you may just select a friend from your friend list. After that, simply tap on done and tap on the save settings. You may also set it accordingly who can see your stories. You may just choose your audience accordingly, and just like that you can set your settings on how you want to see your viewers list. So you may just go to your story. After that, if you have posted a story and tap on viewer option, you'll be able to see an eyes option there. Just simply tap on it, and there you'll be able to see the list of people who have watched your stories. So therefore, by following this method, you can see other viewers on Facebook story. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.